Okay, so I need to tell you about the gelatin trick because I just had the most amazing conversation with a friend who's been doing it for months, and her skin is literally glowing. I mean, we're talking that effortless, lit from within kind of glow that makes you wonder what her secret is. And it all started when she stumbled upon the gelatin trick, which, as it turns out, is ridiculously simple. Essentially, it's about incorporating gelatin into your daily routine in a way that supports your body's natural collagen production, which, in turn, does wonders for your skin and nails. My friend's nails, for instance, used to be brittle and weak, but now they're strong and healthy looking. The gelatin trick has been a total game changer for her, and I'm excited to start trying it out myself. If you're curious about how to get started with the gelatin trick, be sure to check out the link in the description below, where I've got all the details laid out for you. And if you've already tried the gelatin trick, share your experience with me in the comments, especially in the pinned comment section where we can all connect and learn from each other.